Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to clone a repository in GitHub. If you have a repository and you want to have some changings like you want to clone it for other project, then in this video I'll show you how it can be done. So first you have to go to the browser and then search for GitHub. From the link you have to go to your GitHub repository. Make sure you're already logged in, otherwise you have to make a login. Then simply go to the repository that you want to clone. Once you get there, on the right side you will see this option for code. You have to click onto it and then you have to select which type of code you're looking for. There are three options, you can choose as per your choice, and then you will see this option for download zip. You have to simply click onto it, and after that it will download all the files and you can see the data of that specific repository. Now, once you have the data, it's time to clone it. So for that purpose, you have to simply get back to your dashboard, or you can also go to your home. Once you get back, now you have to simply go to the repositories and click onto this option for new. Here you have to create a new repository. Simply give it a name, whatever you want to, and you can also give it a description, choose its privacy and other options. Once everything is done, you have to simply create a repository. Once it gets created, you will see there is an option for attaching a file. You have to simply click onto this option and then you will be there. Now what you have to do here is that you have to simply add the file that we have just downloaded from our previous repository that we wanted to clone. Now you have to upload that file here, and after that if you want to commit any changings you can do it. Now here you have to wait for a while. Once this gets uploaded, now you have the cloned version of your previous repository. So here you can see that first we had this repository, we have cloned it into this second one. So that's how you will be able to clone a repository in GitHub. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.